So today we are going to check the order status of material on Mannington's website. So the first thing that you will do, of course, is to go and check your order status. And as you can see, this order has a purchase order attached to it. It has a due date of 12/22, which is tomorrow's date, according to this, but we'll pretend that that wasn't there, or that date was a long ways away and we were going to check on this. So at this point, we would, of course, notate our reference number and the item that we're looking for, because there could be multiple items. Since this is a purchase order that has a back order on it, there could be multiple items on that purchase order, so we'll need to look at that. We'll go to the home page, and from the home page, we will go to customer service. Then we will click on the Mannington online store, this one right here, and that will take us to the Mannington online store here. We will click on order status, and that will take us to this page. Now, it's very important that you use Internet Explorer for Mannington's website. For some reason, it doesn't seem to like other browsers, so Internet Explorer will get you everything that you need. Your username and your password are case sensitive, so make sure that you are using the uppercase letters when it's requesting those, and a lowercase letter whenever it's requesting that. The purchase order that you will enter will be a 10-digit code, so it will be the entire purchase order. So it will start with 001, and then the location 01, and then the purchase order number, followed by 2 zeros at the end. If you do not put those 2 zeros on there, you will get no results. The other important part is to make sure that you take the beginning date that is listed here, because normally it will put the same day's date in there. You take that out. We don't know when it was placed, and we don't care. All we know is that it was placed before today's date. Once you do that, you click log on. Over to the left, you'll see an order number, and that order number allows you to click on it, so you'll click that, and then that will show you all of the detail on this purchase order. Now, the item that we're looking for started in our system with X. X is seconds material. So if you notice here, it says seconds. We put the X on the beginning of that. They don't necessarily have that on their website at Mannington. So this is the item we're looking for, and as you can see, it shows an order quantity, it shows a hard assigned quantity, and then under soft assigned quantity, back order quantity, it just says completed. Now, if this material was not available at the mill, you would see a quantity listed under back order quantity, and it would show you the amount that they had on back order for us. Soft assigned, that means that material is available but has not been assigned to our order yet. Hard assigned means that it has been allocated to our order. Now, if you notice it says completed, that means that that material has already been picked and loaded and possibly shipped. At this point, we can click on the more details at the top, and it's going to give us a little more information. The thing that I always note on this is if you see a first invoice date and a first invoice number, usually that's the date that it actually shipped out of the mill. Sometimes it might be a day off or so, but it's already left, or it's already been loaded on that truck and they've invoiced us for it, so that means it should be on its way. More than likely that material will arrive here in Memphis possibly today. They padded a little bit on the arrival time because, of course, it has to be received in. So the due date that we had in the system of 12/22 is more than likely accurate, and that material should arrive.